Hola, estudiantes. It's Mrs. Santiago here, and today we're going to be looking at pedir and servir. We're going to be doing a pace lesson, so remember your job is to look at the verb changing in context and try to figure out what type of verb is it? Does it relate to other verbs that I've seen? What's the stem doing? What are the endings doing? What does it mean? Vamos a comer en el restaurante con pedir y servir. Ellos piden un sándwich de pollo. Pero la camarera sirve una ensalada de pollo. Yo pido un bistec con papas fritas. Ellos sirven las papas, pero no el bistec. Yo sirvo las ensaladas. ¿Tú pides la leche también? Nosotros servimos a las personas. Nosotros pedimos más comida. Yo pido el pescado. ¿Tú me sirves el bistec? Él pide su almuerzo en el restaurante. Pedir. Look at the infinitive and now let's watch it as it changes. Yo pido el pescado. ¿Tú pides la leche? Él pide su almuerzo. Nosotros pedimos la comida. Ellos piden un sándwich. Look at the verb pedir. From the infinitive to the sentences, how is it changing? What do you notice? Hopefully you notice that pedir is an IR verb. But the E after the P in the middle of the stem is changing. It goes from PED to PID. It is a boot verb. We know that because when you look at nosotros, it goes back to the original stem of PED. Muy bien. Now let's look at servir. Yo sirvo las ensaladas. ¿Tú me sirves el bistec? Ella sirve una ensalada de pollo. Nosotros servimos la comida. Ellos sirven las papas. Again, look at the infinitive verb servir and then look at the sentences. How is that verb changing? What type of verb is it? What are the endings doing? Hopefully you noticed a similar pattern. Servir is an IR verb. The E in the root is changing. It is going from an E to an I. It's an E to I stem changer. Notice that the boot popped up in the nosotros because nosotros servimos goes back to the original stem. This is a boot verb. ¿Qué tipo de comida sirve tu restaurante favorito? ¿Y qué tú pides en el restaurante? Muy bien. I hope that this helped you to explore the verbs pedir and servir. Gracias.